Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate very small files in Linux byte by byte. As you know, sometimes it's a very important technique. Let's imagine we have to upload a web shell to the target machine to conduct some kinds of pen testing. Unfortunately, there is some kinds of control in place on the target machine, such as file length limit. For example, the 8 characters. So if we upload any file which exceeds this limitation, like 8 characters or 8 bytes in size, of course, this will not work. We cannot get the shell executed as we expected. And also I will explain the differences between several commands, several Linux commands, like echo, without any option, echo with option of, -n, and also a command like printf, hexdump. All of them are very important Linux commands. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's switch over to Linux. Let's suppose we have to create a file, and the content of this file is this one. So the angular bracket and question mark and equal, and this command is going to list out directory content. So of course this is not a normal PHP statement. Anyhow, because we want to bypass the limitation on the file length. Okay, so we can copy and we can use editor like Vim, Nano to create a file. If we count, we can know this line consists of 8 characters or 8 bytes in size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, if you write and quit and you use the ls command, ls command or list, this command is going to display directory content. And with options of ALH, this will display detailed information of the target file like shell. You can see the size of this file is 9 bytes in size, and this exceeds limitation adopted by the web application. In other words, this web shell cannot work as we expected. And so what's going on here? Because most of editors, including echo, will automatically append newline in the end. This is the major cause or the major issue, and we need to solve the issue. And so how to do? We can take different ways. The first way, of course, before we go ahead, even you use the command, cat command, you cannot see any newline symbol, right? If you attempt to display the newline symbol, you can use option of -e, and this will display the dollar. Dollar in Linux represents newline. Okay, so come back to create the file which can meet the requirement. So how to do? The first way is to use echo, but this time we have to use the in option. So the content is exactly the same as the original one, but this time we take a different option. We put additional option -n, and if you use the ls command to display the information of this file, you can see this time the file has, is 8 bytes in size. So this is the first approach. So let me show you another approach with command of printf. Okay, and if you cut out this file, you can see no $sign in the end. Okay, also you can use dump, hexdump, and the shell PHP. You can see, as we know, this original file has the newline symbol, and this newline symbol represents 1 byte in size. So here 0A represents newline in Linux. Okay, if you display the file with hexdump, you can see this time no 0A in the end. So up to this point, we have already created or generated very small file by different approaches. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you next. Bye. Have a nice day, please.